Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome to the YouTube channel on San Miguel de Allende Secrets. And today we're going to talk about the go-to guy in San Miguel Art, St. Luke. As always, if you need additional information, in the descriptive box below are links to various websites, including one that will take you out to Amazon.com with all 12 of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series. St. Luke was one of the apostles. He wrote major parts of the New Testament, and more relevant in today's San Miguel de Allende, he became the patron of artists. Let's delve into why that is, plus his most famous painting featured with flair in Centro. Little is known about Luke, as, like many apostles, little was recorded about him. However, he recorded a lot, and is featured above the altar in most every church in town, alongside his fellow writers, Saints Matthew, Mark, and John. Luke is the lad with the ox, symbolic of the then popular temple animal sacrifices. Luke is considered the creator of the very first image of Mary, Jesus' mom. One day, in a fit of creative inspiration following Jesus' death, Luke is reported to have dramatically flipped over Mary's dining room table and paint an infamous image on the wood. Luke used the encaustic technique of applying hot wax to pigment before applying it to wood. Dawn Gaskell, is a local artist renowned for her encaustic paintings, and that's her in her studio there on the left. Luke's image of Mary on the right gazes at the baby JC while he appears troubled about the cross being carried by a nearby angel. In many paintings of Jesus' childhood, the cross appears in a "where's Waldo" kind of way for the viewer to find, constantly reminding little Jesus what is to come. Many feel Jesus drops out of the Bible between adolescence and age 30, as he needs those years to accept his role in spreading God's word while knowing it won't end well, especially for him. The Byzantine style of iconic paintings featured here, Andy Warhol studied while attending Mass with his mom as a youth, pointing him in the direction of his later iconic celebrity paintings. In the Temple of San Francisco, you can contemplate Luke's image of the Madonna and Child among many other works of art and ask Luke's help in your artistic pursuits. As always, feel free to click the subscribe now button and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they're released here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende Secrets.